What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge, Shehbaz here. Today we have fresh news and updates about Xiaomi Mi 10, which received new details and characteristics. So let's start the video. Xiaomi Mi 10 will receive the main quad camera with a vertical arrangement of modules. A photo of the rear panel of the flagship smartphone Xiaomi Mi 10 appeared on the web. According to co-founder and president of Xiaomi Lin Bin, will be one of the first mobile devices based on the powerful 8-core Snapdragon 865 processor. Judging by pictures, the smartphone will receive main quad camera with a vertical arrangement of sensors, one of which possibly ISOCELL Bright HMX with a resolution of 108 megapixels. According to rumors, the rest of sensors will have resolution of 20, 12 and 5 megapixels. Recently, SlashLeaks published a screenshot of the protective gloss of the Xiaomi Mi 10 screen, which confirms that the new smartphone will have very narrow frames around the screen, and the screen itself will be bent at the edges, at least from two sides. Also, holes are not visible on the protective gloss, which suggests the location of the fingerprint scanner under the screen. However, the source who provided this image noted that there may still be a hole for a double selfie camera in the upper part of the protective gloss. Rumors circulating on the internet suggest that the Xiaomi Mi 10 will have a 6.5 inches OLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. In addition, the Snapdragon 865 processor device specifications include 8 or 12 GB of RAM and flash drive with the capacities from 128 to 256 GB. As expected, the announcement of new items will take place next month at the exhibition MWC 2020. The price of this smartphone is not officially confirmed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Bye bye.